I've been exploring the Whole Foods Market app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. The Whole Foods Market app is a grocery shopping companion designed for regular Whole Foods shoppers, especially Amazon Prime members who want digital access to sales, prepared meals, and streamlined checkout in-store and online. Its main strengths are convenience features that tie together browsing, planning, and paying. You can view weekly sales from your local store, add items directly to a shopping list, and get an extra discount on many sale items if you have Prime and scan your in-store code at checkout. The same code can also be used to pay at select stores and still works even if your phone temporarily loses service, which is handy once you are already in the aisle. The app also lets you order prepared meals like pizza, salads, and sandwiches for pickup or delivery in participating locations, and you can ship pantry staples and household basics through Amazon if you do not live near a store. However, the app is not without flaws, and the overall rating is low, with many users unhappy about recent changes. Multiple reviewers mentioned that the once popular sales browser has become cumbersome. Instead of browsing deals by clear categories, they report long, mixed lists where frozen foods, beverages, and pantry items appear together in a way that feels messy and time-consuming to sift through. One user notes that when you open a sales list and drill into a category, it can be difficult or impossible to navigate back without starting over, which makes planning a weekly shop more frustrating than helpful. Others point out cases where sale items show no prices in the deals section, making it hard to tell whether something is actually a good deal. Overall, this is a solid choice if you value tying your Whole Foods shopping, Prime discounts, and prepared meal orders into one place, and you are willing to live with some quirks in the interface. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.